Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna try this again. I just tried filming about 2 hours ago and I ended up with a cat hair in my eye and my contact was moving it around, and I'm allergic to cats, so my eye turned red. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial, pretty much a vibrant eye look using the Juvia's Masquerade palette. I received this gorgeous palette. I haven't even swatched it, so I wanted to kind of focus on these first two rows right here and create a vibrant look. And you know, I figured I need a little bit of color in my life. I'm not as motivated anymore and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're probably gonna breeze through the skin like usual. I'll just show you the products that I'm using and kind of just dibble dabble on that, and then we'll get to the eyes. So I'm gonna start off with the face makeup first. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin using the Fenty Beauty primer, and I actually really love this primer. The only problem I have with it is that it's meant for oily skin. I love the smell, first and foremost. It's meant for oily skin. So when I wear a foundation that's, I guess, more full coverage or mattifying, or the Fenty Beauty foundation, it's not a good match for me because I have dry, normal combination skin. So it just doesn't work out. When I use this primer, I tend to use something more moisturizing. So today I'm actually going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This one's in the shade Light Beige, but I feel like I should move up. That was way more than I needed. You really only need one pump of this. I feel like I need to see if there's another shade that matches my skin tone better. I like the Light Beige. It's not too neutral, but I've had this foundation for a while, so, and I think I just put too much. So anyway, I'm gonna take my Sigma F80 Kabuki brush and blend this onto the skin like usual. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this one's in the shade Light Neutral 15. I have not purchased makeup in a while, but I've been wanting to pick up a few more of the ColourPop concealers because I've legit used it for a long time. I used the medium 30 shade for foundation, and I like the light neutral 15, but I wanted to try, I think, the light neutral 16 or 14 to see if this one, they're a little bit more yellow tone. This one's like a perfect neutral though, so I really don't have any complaints. I just wanted to experiment with a few more shades, like 1 or 2 more shades, and try the foundation out, which I have not, but I haven't bought makeup in a very long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer. It looks very vibrant with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Bronze my skin using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I like to dip into all 3 shades pretty much. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D brush in the number 20. I dip into the dark, light, or dark, medium, light like that, and just kind of bronze up my skins. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Masquerade palette by Juvia's, and I won this from a Twitter page called Makeup Girlies. I don't even know if I said it right in the beginning of the video, but anyway, it's from Makeup Girlies. I'll leave them linked down below. Give them a follow, give them a like, tell them I sent you. They're actually a really sweet Twitter page. They talk about makeup, they do a lot of giveaways, and I usually just support by liking or reposting or whatnot. So of course this palette's absolutely gorgeous. You guys have probably seen it a million gazillion times, and I wanted to focus on these top 2 rows right here, so I want something colorful. I don't know, I'm gonna go in with the shade Bori, which is this beauty right here. It does have some sparkle, but it's pink, and I'm gonna be using my Cosette S175 brush. So I'm gonna pick up some of that pink, and I'm gonna go ahead, I'm actually gonna go on the crease with this pink, and I'm gonna, well, I'm gonna take it up high, not too high. Ooh, there's some fallout. All right, well, whatever. All right, we're doing this. I'm taking it all the way in. As you guys can see, I'm taking it all the way in. And I'm gonna bring this up. Because my eyes kind of close off here, I'm gonna blend it up here. Because I want a nice rounded but cat-like look. No transition color or anything. This is it. This is it. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I kind of went, we took it there. We took it there. We took it there. So I'm gonna take my old school little blender brush, and this one's the e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I use it for the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go back in with the pink, and we're gonna bring it all the way down to the first half of the eye. So I'm gonna take Bori. Whoa. She's pigmented. And I'm gonna take it actually to the third. We're just gonna go there. And blend that out because I want that soft smokiness on the bottom. We are gonna take my Cosette number 7 brush. This is from his, I forgot which Infinite line I think it's called. I don't know. I'm gonna go in, oh. See, this is the tough part because I like this blue right here. I'm wearing this kind of blue, but I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Dahlia. And I'm gonna take it on the brush. I'm gonna go in and place her on the center of the lid. And I like to put my shadows on first dry and then build them up wet. So I expect a little bit of patchiness with something like this. Oh, that's so pretty. I use my finger. Look at that. Just to pack it on with the finger, and then I'll use the brush. So I'm gonna take the same Cosette S175 brush that had the pink in it, and I'm just going to blend this blue into the pink. It's gonna turn it like a royal purpley color, which I'm not mad at. Actually really beautiful. Back in with that blue, I'm gonna wet it. Just here to add a little bit more vibrancy to the first half of the eye. Let's use the brush. Zola on both sides of the brush. And I'm just gonna pat this inner, middle, outer third. I'm gonna get a bigger pop of color. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah. I'm all for it. Wayne Goss 05 brush, the best thing ever. And I'm actually going to go in with just, I'm gonna go in with just a Zola. And I'm going to take it on the middle part of the eye. Bottom lash line is what I meant. So I'm gonna bring it, actually no, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna wet it. I'm gonna go in with the same brush and the shade Dahlia and just take it out the outer V. Take my Cosette number 10 brush and go in with the shade Gala and tap that on the inner corner and see how it looks with the blue blended in there. Usually I like doing this step when I have a color in there because it'll blend with it and it just makes a really pretty color. Ooh. like so. It's really pretty. And it blends in with the blue. A little bit of that under the brow. I'll be using the Covergirl liquid liner in the shade black, I'm assuming. There's no shade names on this, but we're just gonna create a little baby wing. And I don't know why I say that, because I just never know how these wings are gonna turn out. I'm gonna go in with the Rosewood lip liner by Covergirl. It's like a rosy nudie color. For highlight, I'm actually going to be going in with my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, this bad boy right here, which I don't think I've used on camera. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Pink Opal, which is a really pretty opalescent shade. I think it'll go with the look. I'm gonna go in with one of my AOA Studio brushes. This one's the F19. Go in with that and just tap it on the skin. I'm gonna go in with the Reina Rebelde lip gloss. It's called the Lip Brilliance, and this one's in the shade Vilhen, which is just a natural color gloss. Okay, my love, so this is the completed look that I did using the Juvia's Place Masquerade mini palettes. I have been craving some color, and this is a little extreme even for me. Well, not, yeah, no. I really love the blue, the teals, that inner corner highlight really does make the look for me, and the wing liner kind of just tops it off. I do not wear falsies with most of these looks, but I do load on the mascara. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please let me know down below if you want me to do any other like color or color theories, or if there's a color of eyeshadow that you want me to try, or if there's a palette that you want me to dig into. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. This is the look. I'm feeling a little sassy. This hair is complete. This hair has completed the look. This does remind me of like a supernova or something outer spacey. Ooh, it would have been cute with like white freckles, and then you add them into the eye. Yes! Okay, anyway, doing the most. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.